Hey guys, it's me Trevor. I'm back on Roblox and today we're playing this game. It's called Feather Family. And apparently this game is you can make a bird and then make your own family. So I'm a type of a swan guy. Let's do hatchling first. Okay, so I can make the eyes too creepy. Yeah, white is a normal one. Beak. Let's make the beak too orange. That's normal. The head black. Maybe this one. Yeah, that one looks good. Chest, I'm gonna do this. Yeah, that looks good as well. Body, I'm gonna do this. Nah, too red. Too light red. I think that looks good. Yeah, that looks good. Black wings. This color of wings. This color. This one. Too yellow. Too green. That looks. To be honest, this looks like a good bird right now. Okay, I think we're done. We're done, yeah, play. And yeah, look at me boys, I'm a swan, and I'm floating on nothingness. Oh my goodness, how is this possible? Why am I floating on nothing? Dude, there's so many people in this server, like someone said, I'm going to get banana, what? Gets bananas. You're a bird. Okay. Be honest, this doesn't look too good. So guys, I've actually played this game before and it's pretty fun. So okay. You know what guys? 3, 2, 1. Guys, we're a new man. Oh my goodness, I'm so big. Why didn't I feel that you can become me? But fairly cute flying. This game is actually kind of fun. Oh yeah. Goodbye boys. Goodbye ground. Goodbye everyone. I'm going to make my own family. And that's actually true. Oh, there's another guy here. Let's go to him. VIP. What the heck is VIP? It's a griffin. Dude, how can you become a griffin? I wanna become a griffin. It's so big. Scary. Okay. I'm just a tiny guy. They look really so, apparently actions, ooh, I can do actions like shift to run, Oh, I'm going fast right now. So, want to call? Oh no. Boys, you hear me? I'm saying please like and subscribe. Actually, like and subscribe, boys. Okay, I am sitting. Eat. I don't know what I'm eating right now, but I'm eating. Oh, boys, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh no. Display. This looks really cool. Not gonna lie. This game green, like I'm breathing right now. Let's stop breathing now. Blink. I'm meditating. Meditating. Let's see. Meditate. Meditate. Close your eyes. Yeah, this is getting boring. 27. Perfect. So we already know Q is flying. I just fly. Wait. Come here, bro. Come here, bro. What is this? Okay, I don't know what that is, but I'm going to make my own family. Goodbye, world. Dude, how did he get like what? Okay, nest. Let's build a mound nest. This is not a bad nest. Okay. Now, offspring, do you want to raise? Let's raise an egg. Where's my egg? Where's my egg? Hatch. What are you, baby? Oh yeah, he is looking drippy. So name. Now let's name him. Can we not name him? Oh wait, we can. Let's name him Trevor Jr. This is my new son, boys. Trevor Jr. Look at Trevor Jr. right now. Look, guys, the neighbors with the griffin. This is so cool. Okay, Trevor Jr., you need a brother. Let's raise another egg. Okay, here's my egg. Then hatch. Now we have a bird. Let's call him Trevor Jr. Dot 2. Oh yeah, Trevor Jr. 2. Boys, we're going on a trip. Steal my back and you steal my phone. Oh yeah. Goodbye, boys. We're going into the adventure to the sun. No, we're not. Where's my nest? Where's my nest? Oh wait. I keep forgetting the Q is the letter you're supposed to press. Okay. Noah, Pledge, Grow, goodbye, Trevor Jr. 2, and goodbye, Trevor Jr. 1. Okay, this game is really fun. I am a bird. Look at this. Bird dance, bird dance, bird dance. Bop bop boppity bop 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 boppity bop 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 bop. Boppity bop 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 bop. Alright boys, goodbye. Boppity bop 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 bop.